Hi there, customer experience community. This is Dominic. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at ChatGPT AI, and we're going to ask it how to set up Zendesk. That's it. So if you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Dominic, customer experience consultant, Zendesk enthusiast. Everything that I learn, I take it and I post it in here. And hopefully this brings you value. That's why I do these things. Now, as you might have heard, or if you haven't, there is an artificial intelligence that came out from OpenAI, which is a San Francisco startup which has gotten a lot of funding, and they released this prototype which is called ChatGPT, and people are going crazy. Everybody on the internet and their mom is running tests on this AI, which is apparently very cool, and is also running a good thing. It has a good thing going because it's not racist, it's not homophobic, it's not sexist. It seems to tick all the boxes. Oh, and it's not aggressive, which is wow. That's really cool. So we're not going to try to trick the machine. There's probably like YouTube channels dedicated to that. No, we're going to do what we're interested in. We're going to ask it how to set up Zendesk. Duh. And of course, customer experience best practices. So let's go. I'm going to share my screen. I have created an account with these guys. So let's share. Nope. Okay. Hopefully you can see my screen now. Move myself somewhere. I don't know, wherever I fit best here in the screen. I'll see. I'll decide later. So let's initiate a chat, right? So ChatGPT, it's supposed to have everything. It's supposed to know everything. So let's see some examples. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. No, because I'll feel dumb. Got any creative ideas when when to tell a 10-year-old's birthday? Okay. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Okay, cool. Okay, I like this. So let's initiate a chat, a new chat. Or no, actually, I can ask directly. Okay, cool. How are you doing today? Let's start off with an easy one. How are you doing today? Let's see. As an artificial intelligence, I don't have feelings or emotions in the same way that humans do. I'm here to help answer your questions and assist you with information you need to the best of my ability. Is there something specific you would like to know or discuss? Wow, that sounds like a very standard customer service response. Okay. Okay, so let's see. What are the best practices for setting up Zendesk? Is this going to take over my job? Maybe it will. Let's see. Here are some best practices for setting up Zendesk. Okay, identify your customer service needs. Very good. Determine what you want Zendesk for, such as managing customer inquiries, tracking customer feedback, handling support tickets. This will help you determine the right configuration and features for your Zendesk account. Okay, good. And then setting up your organization and users, create your organization and invite users to join, assign roles and permissions to each user depending on their level of access and responsibilities. Fair. Configure your support channels, set up the channels through which your customers can reach out to you, such as email, phone, and social media. Very good. Create a support workflow. Okay, I don't know what that is. Define how you want to handle and prioritize customer inquiries and requests, and set up automated rules to streamline the process. Very good. Wow, it's very impressive. Customize your support experience. Use the customization features in Zendesk to create a personalized support experience for your customers. This includes branding your account. Yeah, okay. Creating custom fields and forms. Yeah. And setting up self-service options like knowledge base or a community forum. Oh man, I can't stress how important it is to have a knowledge base. And it obviously reflects the fact that you're a mature company because you document your processes. Yes, dear machine, that's very good. Integrate with other systems. If you use other tools or systems in your business, consider integrating with them with Zendesk to create a seamless workflow. This might include integrating with your CRM, billing system, or other customer service platforms. Okay. Train your team. Make sure your team is familiar with the features and functions of Zendesk and provide them with any necessary training or resources to help them use the platform efficiently. Wow, that's very good. I I like that. That's pretty good. And actually, woo-hoo, damn. Okay. Yeah, that's very well said. Actually, I'm quite impressed. Like probably like everyone else. I'm very impressed with this. So, okay, let's ask it for some customer experience best practices. What customer experience best practices do you recommend? Let's try a different path. Let's give it a more global theme. Let's see. Here's customer experience best practices that you consider implementing. Make it easy for your customers to contact you. Provide multiple channels for customers to reach out to you, such as email, phone, live chat, and social media. Okay. Respond quickly. Customers expect timely responses for their inquiries and requests. Make sure to set up automated rules and triggers to help you prioritize and respond to customer inquiries as quickly as possible. Be empathetic. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. Yeah. Wow. It's coming from a machine. Try to understand their perspective. This will help you provide more personalized and compassionate support. Be transparent. Be upfront and honest with your customers about your issues or challenges that may impact their experience. Yes, set the right expectations. Focus on the customer journey. Think about the entire customer journey from their initial contact with your company to their post-purchase experience. Look at opportunities to improve the customer experience at every touch point. Okay, good. Use data and feedback to inform your decisions. Collect and analyze customer feedback to get a better understanding and their needs and preferences. Use this data to inform your customer experience strategy and make continuous improvement. Provide self-service options. Okay, very good. Offer self-service options like a knowledge base or community to give customers the ability to find answers to their questions on their own. Train your team. Wow, this looks like very similar to what we read up a little bit earlier. Okay. Wow, this is very impressive. So let's ask it something else. Let's go even further. Like, would you consider being a good customer service agent at one point? Let's see if this is going to take over some of the jobs in the customer service sphere, which I definitely think they will, because especially the repetitive tasks, nobody wants to answer those, and definitely these are going to be taken away by these kinds of machines. As an artificial intelligence, I'm designed to assist with information and answer questions to the best of my ability. I do not have personal preference on the ability to perform tasks in the same way as a human customer service agent would. Well, however, I can provide information on guidance on how to be a good customer service agent, such as best practices I mentioned above. Oh, it remembers what it said above. God damn. Well, okay. Are you going to take over the world anytime soon? Let's see. It's thinking. I'm not capable of taking over the world or any other physical actions. My primary function is to provide information and can assist tasks to the best of my ability. Okay. That's what I would say if I was trying to take over the world. So I'm on to you. Anyways, that's it. This is it. I like the best practices. I'm going to leave it at that because this is very good. I am quite impressed with the quality of this. This looks like a blog article somewhere. I like it. Best customer experience, best practices. Also looks like a blog article somewhere. So yeah, this is not that bad actually. I enjoyed it. I don't know. Like, what questions would you have for it? Like, go ahead, jump on it. It's actually mayhem. You can barely get it to work because it's so many people wanting to use it. So yeah, maybe this will inspire you. I definitely had fun. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.